More. Get some more water. You're very busy. Nice job, Claire.
Mama.
Yes, honey. Where are you going? Careful. Are you going to paint some more? You moving away on me? Oh, this is your other spot, your back. Where are you going, honey? You looking for a new blank canvas?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Right there. Don't go too far.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay here, sweetie. Stay pretty close, because there's stairs over there. Mommy's gonna have to hold your hand. Slow down, high speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you spill? That's okay. You just spilled a little. That's what water does. Oh, let's see, we make it spill more, huh?
Ooh.
Oh, your shoe. Oh dear. Should we fix your shoe?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Help?
Yeah.
Okay, just a second, honey.